Hi, my name's James from Xline System, and today I'm going to talk you through another electric vehicle that we've installed a system into. This vehicle again is a Vauxhall Vivaro-e. It's a 3100 dynamic 75 kilowatt version. So this vehicle's got a 205 mile range on there, fully electric. So we've installed this vehicle for MCS cleaning services, and the customer's opted for a 750 litre tank in there with a diesel powered hot water unit. There's no filtration system on this unit whatsoever, so the customer's opted to purify his own water in his unit, in his industrial unit, transfer the pure water into the tank and then take it to site to clean windows. So you'll see that there's a twin operated unit. There's two pumps, two controllers on there, all operated from its own independent battery. The battery's charged, there's two batteries in there, 230 amp batteries, which is charged from the external power source. So when the customer charges the vehicle at night, it'll automatically charge the batteries on there also. There's also two removable hose reels that can lift in and out the vehicle with two secure plates that can be connected to the external stainless steel ports. There's also a fast fill trigger allowing you to decant water from the main tank into an external source such as a trolley or a backpack. So in the side of the vehicle, we've got the top of the range 9 kilowatt hot water unit. This allows you to work two independent reels at adjustable temperatures. So on the top of there, you'll see the two dials to operate the temperature coming from the system. There's also a frost stat built into this unit, which allows you to set the control panel. So when the temperature drops in the vehicle overnight, it fires the boiler and starts blowing hot air around the vehicle. As you can see, we've got another fuel tank in there, which allows you to fill the diesel fuel tank that operates the heater. So looking around the side door now, you'll see that there's plenty of extra space in the vehicle for any additional equipment such as gutter vacuums, pressure washers, and any other vehicle equipment that you want to put into the vehicle. Here you'll see it's got the fully waterproof lining from Rhino. This just will extend the life of your vehicle's life. This is the third electric van that we've done this month. Please click the link above, the Vivaro-e install video highlighting the fully automated 4-stage filtration option. Thanks for watching. Please like our video, and get in touch on 0115 939 4444. Thanks for watching.